It's just before 9 a.m. in Lewiston, Maine, and Mohammed Dekow is opening his store catering to the 5,000 Somalis who've moved here since 2001, selling their favorite food, drinks, even toothbrushes from home. Is this what you use to brush your teeth now, or do you use a toothbrush?
I use both.
That's right, 5,000 Somalis, refugees drawn here by cheaper housing and safer streets than bigger cities where they first settled.
The only reason I picked Maine, and all the people I know, they live in Maine.
We first came to Lewiston 6 years ago to cover the outcry over the mass immigration. The mayor at the time asked the Somalis to slow down for a while. White supremacists from outside Lewiston threatened to march.
White power.
That was then. A main street that had fallen on hard times has since been revived, in part by Somali-owned businesses. Hundreds of other Somalis have joined the traditional Maine workforce.
Lately, people, they understand each other, and I have seen now a Somali guy and American guy walking together and having a conversation.
Not that everyone's been holding hands and singing Kumbaya here in Lewiston, but when you think about the second largest city in the second whitest state in the nation, absorbing 5,000 Somalis just since 2001, it's been quite a remarkable journey for this community in the last 8 years.
I definitely think there's still a little bit of tension. That's never going to go away, but it's definitely calmed down a lot.
The schools were ugly. 5 years ago, there were 48 violent, racially motivated fights at the local high school.
It made me afraid of high school, and I was sort of, I was nervous about coming.
This year, the number is 0.
A lot has changed. I would definitely say me being comfortable has changed. Before, I wasn't comfortable.
With the schools settled down and the city seeing the economic benefits the Somalis have produced, the current mayor sees the Somalis as an anchor population here.
As time goes, they will become more self-sufficient and from one generation to the next, and they will sustain this community.
That's fine with Mohammed Dekow, father of 6. So it would be fine if everyone stayed here?
Yeah.
And come into business with you?
Uh-huh.
That's the American dream.
That is my dream too.
One colorful story of assimilation, successfully written in black and white. Jim Axelrod, CBS News, Lewiston, Maine.